Hello YouTube, I am here at my new house to install the light strip for the modular kitchen. For the power source, I am going to connect over here. So you have to identify all this before you start. So power source over here, the strip will go from here, down here, over here and all the way across. Here is a bit tricky part. And what I am planning right now is to take the wire up above over there and come down and finish it over here. Okay, so I measured the length already. So the wire I require is almost 5 meters and the strip is around 3 meters. So measure all that. So here are the tools that you require: knife and also something to cut. A blade will also do fine. Tools to measure, scale, tape. You need an insulation tape, also double-sided tape and cello tape, a parts holder, a marking pen also required, soldering iron holders, solder and soldering flux. The materials required: so you need an LED light strip. This is around 5 meters. Depending upon how much you want to do. Make sure it is a warm white LED. It's not as bright as cool bright LED, but it has a more warmer texture and a more premium look to it. You will also need 12-volt battery adapter, the connector for that as well, some wires and a variable resistor. Here I have a 1K variable resistor, but I would recommend that you get 2.2K. You also require a box to set the variable resistor and this socket. I'm planning to cover the box with carbon vinyls. That's an optional step. So for the first section, I'm taking this and holding out here and checking how much length could be possible. So it's around this. You should always cut here, okay? Otherwise the rest of the LEDs will not work. So take such lengths. I'm gonna cut a hole over here to put the variable resistor. Also a square cut over here to put the socket. So the first one is done. Here is the hole. Also a small notch for this thing to fit in so that it will stay put when you rotate it. So it will go like this. Another bolt will fit from here and screw it down tight. Next, what we are going to cut is this one. I have already drawn the measurements onto this for this to fit in, also to take out the wire from here. Okay, I've successfully cut it and I could install the bolt and also the socket goes in just fine. I'm including one small LED over here so that it will glow And for the knob, when I insert the knob, it's quite long, so I need to cut the knob as well. First thing I'm going to solder here is the adapter cable, so I'll put that here. You have to be careful when you solder the resistor. It does not have any terminals, but the center one is a variable end and one end indicates the maximum position. So turn the knob all the way to the max and check which terminal is that and solder the wire there. Okay, checking the circuit, check at each stages so that everything is working fine. Mistakes can cost you time. So when I turn to the maximum, it's giving me maximum brightness, and if I dim it, it's dimming. So the dimming circuit is working fine. Now from the other end, you have to connect everything in series and keep going. I'll be showing only one section, and later on I'll show the complete installation. After soldering, I have actually put the insulation tape on so that it will resist some twisting forces, and so thereby reducing the chance of the solder coming off. Is that you have to have okay, so how you should do is put like this so that LED is not covering, and leave some gap over here. It will increase the strength and as well as the hold, and twist and finish over like so. I have finished the complete circuit. I've also stuck carbon fiber vinyls on the box and also made the hole perfectly. My variable resistor got spoiled and I had to Okay, I have finished the box. The dimmer is also working fine. Okay, that's the dimmest it will go, and it'll turn right back on. So the box is also having superb looking lights inside. I've laid down the entire length where we want to install this. After installation, I'll show how it looks. So the LED lighting for the modular kitchen is done. So this is how it looks. Okay. The power supply is here. The dimmer is here.